Are you ready to unlock your creativity with ease? Meet Simply Draw, Learn to Draw, a beginner-friendly drawing app that guides you step by step. Start by choosing what you want to draw: animals, nature scenes, or cartoons. The app gives you a personalized learning path that adapts to your interests and pace. Follow along with professional video tutorials made by artists and teachers. These lessons help you build skills from scratch, covering outlines, shading, and finishing touches. You can learn whenever you like, at your own rhythm. New drawing sessions are added weekly, so your creative journey never runs dry. The interface is clean and simple, just your pencil or stylus, your screen, and one lesson at a time. It's perfect for kids, teens, or adults looking to improve their drawing skills. Rated 4.8 stars by hundreds of thousands of users, it's clearly making a difference. It's free to download and try, with optional in-app purchases for full access if you want to go further. Ready to start drawing like a pro? Download the app today, pick your first lesson and let your art break free. Let the sketch begin.